Alright, we're going to make this just a little bit longer, a little bit thinner, and we'll be able to attach it to our piece. I'm happy with that. Take our needle tool here, cut off more than what we're going to use, so you can always just take more off. Let that set up for just a little second while you clean your hands off so we can attach this real nice. So you want to take a look at it, see exactly where you think it should be on this pot. All right, looking good where it's at. Hands are nice and dry. You just go and scratch it here, scratch it there. This is wet enough to where we don't really need to attach or scratch it. Probably going to use maybe about this much of it. I like to cut it at an angle. And you can just go put it on like that. Maybe make it do a little tilt like that. And that is just a little guy. It's a little accent that makes this look kind of better than it did before. And you can just go and take your tool here and just kind of give it two little marks like that, out like that, and here we go. We got our little funky top. Go and size it up here, see where we can put some accents on the side of this pot here.